The Saronic Islands. Imagine an archipelago where every island offers something unique, be it historical treasures, stunning beaches, or the authentic charm of traditional Greek life. These islands, nestled in the Saronic Gulf, have long been a favorite escape for Greeks and savvy travelers alike, offering beauty and adventure without the crowds of more famous Greek destinations. Whether you're sailing through the calm waters of the Gulf or hopping between islands by ferry, the Saronic Islands are the perfect blend of convenience and adventure. Aegina, just 40 minutes from the port of Piraeus, greets visitors with its bustling harbor, ancient temples, and the aromatic scent of pistachios, for which the island is famous. Aegina's temple of Aphaia, set on a hill with breathtaking views of the Aegean, rivals even the Parthenon in its architectural beauty. Further along, Hydra's car-free streets, lined with stone mansions and steeped in history, transport visitors back in time. With no motor vehicles allowed, the island has preserved its charm, offering a peaceful retreat where donkeys and boats are the primary modes of transportation. Hydra's vibrant art scene and crystal-clear beaches make it a haven for creatives and nature lovers alike. Piraeus, with its serene pine-covered hills, offers stunning beaches, historical sites, and a picturesque main town that invites exploration. It's the ideal island for both relaxation and adventure. The island of Spetses, meanwhile, is known for its elegant atmosphere, historic naval past, and secluded beaches accessible by bike or water taxi. The Saronic Islands are easily accessible, making them the perfect option for a day trip or a longer island hopping journey. Whether you're looking to explore ancient ruins, sunbathe on pristine beaches, or simply savor traditional Greek cuisine in seaside tavernas, these islands offer something for every kind of traveler. Are the Saronic Islands calling your name for your next unforgettable adventure?